Good morning, dear students. This is English class. In this class, we are going to see a new chapter, that is poem My Shadow. So let's open your textbook, children. Page number 29. Poem name My Shadow, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Before starting the poem, let's understand what is the meaning of a word shadow. Shadow means an area of darkness caused by light being blocked by someone or something. It means whenever light being blocked by someone, when we are standing in light and because of our body, one dark area appears on the ground. That is called shadow. So here you can see in this picture that one child is just swinging, and because of that child the light is being blocked, and because of that there is one figure that is called shadow. Do you know, whenever there is light, someone follows you. When we are standing or sitting in light, then someone will be with us always. Have you ever wondered who it is? In these two lines, we are just speaking only about shadow. Let's start the poem by line. First line we will see, children. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. So, here the poet is saying that I have a little shadow. I am just moving one place to another place, but whenever I move, my shadow also moves with me. If I'll go out of the house, also my shadow moves with me. And if I go just inside the house, then my shadow moves with me. Yes? Did you have observed this, children? Yes. Second line. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. And I think my shadow is not useful for me. I think the use of shadow is only that only I can see, otherwise it is not useful for me. It is just useless. The poet is saying it is just useless. He is very like me from the heels up to the head. Heels means the rounded back part of the foot. Here in this picture you can see this is our foot, and rounded part it is called heel. And my shadow looks same like me from top to bottom. Top side we have body part head, and the bottom side we have body part heel. So my shadow is like me, the poet is saying. Next line we'll see. And I see him jump before me when I jumped into my bed. When I jumped to my bed, before me, I see that my shadow already jumped, so always faster than me. What poet is saying? Before me, it will go to sleep, he is saying. Next line. The funniest things about him is the way he likes to grow. The poet is saying one interesting thing about my shadow is the way it grows. It means my shadow grows. Sometimes quickly when I change my body direction, when I move from one place to another place. Then sometimes it becomes very larger and sometimes it becomes very shorter. Sometimes it will be very tall, sometimes it will be very short, the poet is saying. Next line. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. And my shadow is like a children. If we want to see some changes in the children, then we have to wait for months and years also. Yes, but for see the changes in the shadow, we need not to wait for long time. Within a few hours or within a few seconds also, if we move our body parts, our shadow also moves with us. And sometimes it becomes very taller, like morning. It will become very tall, and our shadows, it will, when we'll see our shadow, it becomes very taller, and when we see during midday, it means when we see noon time, that time it looks very small. It is looks very small. Morning time it will be very tall. Afternoon, mid time it will be very short. Next line. For he sometimes shows up taller like an Indian rubber ball. Children, hope you all know about rubber ball. Yes. It jumps very high, sometimes shoots up means grows up. You have seen rubber ball, right? You will play with that also. So, see this picture, children. Here this person is standing and you can see this shadow. It is a very tall. Yes, it is very tall. Next line. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. And sometimes it looks very smaller, like it is not available. When we will see in the afternoon time, we see it very smaller. Yes, children. And can only make a fool of him in every sort of way. Here, the poet is saying sometimes it grows taller and sometimes it will be short. Saying this, poet is saying he is trying to make him fool. He stays so close beside me, he is a coward you can see. I would think shame to stick to nursie as that shadow sticks to me. Coward means not brave. Here poet is saying my shadow always stays too close to him. May he is not brave at all. He is not brave at all. So it is sticking to the poet. It always with me. I feel very shameful. The poet is feeling shameful because it will be stick to him like a young child, like a small baby. It is stick to the poet. Next line. One morning, very early before the sun was up, and one morning I wake up before the sunrise. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. Rose is a past tense of rise. Rose is a one flower also, but we are not talking about that flower. We are talking about a past tense of rise. Yes, and when I wake up before the sunrise one day, then what he is seeing? I have seen is dew on buttercup. It means on a flower I found a dew. Dew means drops of water that form on the ground and other surfaces outside during the night. But my lazy little shadow like an errant sleepyhead. Lazy means not willing to work. Errant means complete. And sleepyhead means one who is sleepy. It looks very lazy and sleepyhead. The shadow, what it is doing? It is still it is sleeping. Had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. What the poet is saying? Where it is now, it is stayed at home. Have not come with him. The poet is saying when in morning he was out, shadow remained at home and was sleeping. It is sleeping in the bed before sunrise. You have to notice, children, how in the morning when sun will rise, how the shadow will form, when in the midday how it will be, and when the night time how it will be. You have to see that, you have to observe it, children. Okay, I hope everyone has enjoyed this poem. Read it, these children. First four lines you have to by heart it, children. Let's see the notes part. Open your notes, children.